So what do we have here today? We have the beautiful and sexy Motion RC Freewing AL37, which is definitely not a Boeing 737, but it is. It's a 737. So I've got it done up in Southwest colors, and we're going to get a maiden flight here today if the wind calms down. We're coming up on about an hour and a half of sunlight left, and it's still pretty windy, so I'm not sure where we're going with this, but I'm here to do a maiden, and hopefully that happens. I'm going to dedicate this flight to my former flight instructor, Kelly. She was my instructor when I was going for my private pilot's license 20-something years ago, and now she's a pilot for Southwest, and she drives 737s. So I'm going to imagine she's in my ear when I fly this and telling me what to do, and hopefully it'll all just go well. So there she is. It's a beautiful model from Motion RC and Freewing, and it's the AL37, also known as the Boeing 737. Alright guys, hopefully the next thing you see right after this is a takeoff and a successful flight. Portland, Oregon. Way out of trim. He wants to turn out hard. I'll get it. There we go. I'll probably land on the pavement also.
Okay.
That's pretty beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Man.
It flies like a truck.
Oh yeah.
It's not going to do anything snappy. Where's the moon?
We just had the full moon last night. There would be 20 cars now.
I know. That's about half throttle. It's not bad. Okay, 1 minute. Let's get the gear down. Gear down. See what an approach feels like.
Beautiful.
That rolls forever. Great.
Beautiful job. Oh, she's gorgeous. That Tennessee setting sun on it.